This is a brief introduction to databases at the University of Idaho Library. Library databases are searchable collections of information, often organized by subject area. These databases help you dive deeper into disciplinary research, often containing information that may not be discoverable in our general library catalog. So you may find articles in a database that do not show up in the general catalog search. Databases also often have discipline-specific search filters not available in the catalog. For example, medical databases may allow you to search specifically for double-blind research studies. Business databases often allow you to filter for industry reports or SWOT analyses. Additionally, since you are accessing these databases through the university, you don't hit paywalls. Databases often offer full text or work with the library's other resources and services, allowing you to track down a PDF of your article or request materials that we do not own. Some examples of library databases are Web of Science, a premier database of scientific and scholarly research, and JSTOR, which offers better coverage of the humanities and older historical articles. Databases are not free online sources. The university subscribes to them, and you must be logged in with your University of Idaho credentials to access them. To explore databases, you can click on Databases A to Z below the General Library Catalog search bar at lib.uidaho.edu. From here, you can search for a specific database or browse by subject. For example, I can browse for subjects under the Subjects drop-down menu. If I am researching for my business class, I can choose Business Economics from the Subjects drop-down list and then choose which database I prefer. However, if you're not sure where to start, you can also just search for databases that might work for you. For example, let's say I am researching historic newspapers' coverage of silver mining in Idaho. I can search for Idaho newspapers in the database title keyword field, or I can use the drop-down menu under Types and select News and Newspaper Articles. I then get a list of suggested databases and can choose one to start exploring newspaper articles. If you have questions about library databases or conducting research, let us know. We have reference librarians and subject specialists who can help give personalized guidance and suggestions. You can reach us in the library or online. Just click on Ask Us at lib.uidaho.edu to connect with us.